Hey, welcome to the new series. In this series, I'm going to show how to use the materials in the Blender and how to create the materials by using the node editors and all the properties of the material. And now in this video, we are going to see how to create a material and how to assign it to different objects. And also we'll see how to apply the multiple materials to the single object here. So first of all, here you can see there is a cube. So defaultly, when you open the Blender, you can see the cube with the default material. Now, suppose if you want to see the material properties of this cube here, you can go to this option, right side. There is an option like material properties. So if you click on this, here you can see the properties of the material which is been applied to this cube here. So defaultly it has been named with the material. So if you want, you can change the name of this material by double click. So you can change the name. And also we can see the properties of this material, like we can change the color, we can change the nature of this material, like metallic, specular, roughness. So we'll see these properties in the upcoming videos. First, we'll see how to assign the materials to the object, and also we'll see how to create the materials. So now you see, suppose defaultly we have this material, and now if you want to change the color of this material, here you can see there is an option like base color. So in this base color, you can select this and you can change the color. But still here we are not able to see any changes because we are in the solid preview mode here. Now we have to change to the material preview. So in order to do that, right side corner, you can see at present we are in the solid display mode. So now we have to change it to material preview. So we need to click on this. Now you can see the changes which we have applied in the material properties. Suppose if you change the color, you can change the color here. Now, in case if you want to disconnect the material from this cube here, a simple thing, just you need to select the material, and here right side you can see there is an remove material slot. So if you click on this, now the material has been removed from this cube. But still, if you want to reapply, we can see all the materials which is created in the Blender in this option. So here if you click on this, now you can find what are the materials has been created in the Blender. So at present, we have only one material in this scene here. And also see beside this material, you can see there is a number like 0. That means this material has been not applied to any object. In case, suppose if you want to reapply this, it's simple. Just you need to select this. You need to click on this material here. Now see again, we can reapply this material. Now in case if you want to create a new material, just we need to click on this add, and now it has been created a slot. Now in this we need to click on this new here. So if you click on this new, now see it has been created another material. So if you want to change the name of this material, you can double click on this. So let's say first we'll change the color of this. So let's say we'll put it to like green or something. Now we can rename this material. So you can double click. Let's say we'll put it to green. Let's say this one will be like purple. And now suppose if you want to create another material, just you can click on this add button and you can click on this new. And now suppose if you click on this, let's say we'll put it to red or something. So we'll change the color. Now it has been changed. But still here you can see only it's showing the first material which has been applied. So what the thing is, suppose if you want to apply the multiple materials to this object, for example, what the thing is, for each face we can, if you want to apply the different colors, first what we need to do is we need to go to the edit mode. So if you go to the edit mode, and we can select the individual faces and we can apply the material. Now suppose if you want to apply these different materials to different faces here, if you go to the material properties here. Now suppose if you want to apply these three materials to this single cube for different faces, first we need to go to the edit mode. So now in order to go to the edit mode, just we need to press tab so that we will go to the edit mode. So at present we are in the vertex mode. Here you can change the mode by using this option here. So you can see this is an like edge mode. We can select the edges, and this is like a face mode. So we can select the faces. And there is a shortcut for this. So if you want to switch back to the vertex mode, we can press 1. And if you want to switch back to the edge mode, we can press 2. And for face mode, we can press 3 here. So now we'll be in the face mode. And now suppose if you want to assign different material for this face, it's simple. Just you need to select the face and we need to select this green here. And now we have to click on this assign, and see now it has been applied here. So suppose for example, for this, if you want to apply the red color, just we have to select the face and we have to select this red color, and yes, just you need to click on this assign. So now you can see it has been applied the red color. So we have three different materials for the single object. And also now based on the material, we can select the faces too. Here you can see, suppose if you select this red color and if you click on this select option, what it will do is it will select the faces which has been assigned with the red color. So for example, see if I select this green and if you click on this select, now see, now it has been selected the face which has been applied with the green color. And if you select this purple and if you select, it has been selected the purple faces. And if you want to deselect, just you need to click on this deselect so that it will be deselect, it will deselect the all the faces. And now we'll see how to apply the single material to the multiple objects. So for example, just I will move it aside. So just I will select this and just go to the like object mode and just move it. And now we'll create another object. So in order to create a new object, you can press Shift A and go to the mesh. And here we can create any object. Let's say we'll create the cylinder here. And now after creating the cylinder, you can see now for this cylinder, no materials has been applied. So the slots are empty here. Now suppose if you want to apply the existing material, it's simple. Just you need to select the object. And here we can go to browse material and click on any one of the material which you want to apply. So just select this and now say it has been applied. And now in case if you want to apply the multiple materials to this objects too, so it's simple. Just first we need to add a slot here. So if you select and it has been added the slot, and here you can select the another object here. So what the thing is, suppose say if you do in this way, for example, if you go to the like editing mode and just if you select this face and if you select this purple, even though it will apply the purple color to the entire faces. So in case if you want to apply the single like different material for the different faces, first compulsory we need to like add a slot here, and in that slot we can select the material. So again, I will create another slot and just we can create another material. And now we can apply the materials for the different faces. So if you go to the edit mode, you can select this and just you can select the purple and click on assign. And suppose if you select the multiple faces and just if you click on this green and click on assign. Now say it has been applied a different material for the different faces. Now I'll show another different thing. So first we'll create an object. So if I press Shift A and just let's create like monkey and just if you go here. And now what the thing is, this monkey model has a different set of face groups. So for example, I will show you. So if you go to the edit mode and if you select one of the face and if you press L for London. So now see, it has a set different face group. And if you select this one and if you press L, now it has been selected. So what the thing is, we can apply the different material for these different faces. First, what we need to do is just we need to select this and we can add the slot. Just we can select this purple. And if you want to add slot, and if you want to create another new material, just you can click on this new material and you can give the name like pink or something. Just you can double click like pink and just we can create another material. So just you can click on this. Let's say we'll call it as yellow. So just we'll put it to yellow. So now what the thing is, now if you want to apply the yellow color for this face, for this eyes, just we can go to the edit mode. Just we can press L so that it will select. And now we can assign this yellow and just click on this assign. So we can select this, we can press L and just yellow and click on assign. And also for this face, we for this head we have different groups. So if you select the face and if you press L, we have different. This is a different group, and we can apply the pink or something. Just you can. So in this way, we can apply the different material to the single object. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next lesson.